Hello there, family and friends. If you feel comfortable, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first, let me say that I miss you guys. It's been a while. I haven't been recording. As you know, we are under, we are under attack. Not really under attack, but that's how I say it because, it's killing a lot of people. This virus thing going on, man. So my condolences to all the ones that lost their families, their friends, their members, their family members, their co-workers, my condolences to all the ones, and it's been tough for me because America runs on trucks, we run everything for America pretty much. And I'm here today and we're gonna do a quick back-end video. A lot of people be like, oh, Joey Jones, why this and why that? Listen, everybody has a different setup. I'm just showing you how I do it. I like to count 3 trailers, 3 containers, 3 slots, 3 holes, whatever. And then we're looking at a clock, right? Let's start with my clock. So then if I look straight ahead on the clock, it's 12 o'clock, right? So then if I look towards my right, it's 3 o'clock, right? So then towards my left, it's 9 o'clock. And then behind me is 6 o'clock. So then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna count 3 containers, and then I'm gonna pull towards the right, looking straight at 3 o'clock. Then once I make it to 3 o'clock, and as far as I can go, then I go to 12 o'clock. And that's where I stop. And then I look behind me, and I wanna see the face of this trailer, like right there on the hole. You understand? So, put my window down. That one is already down. Elbow rest, get it out. I always take the seatbelt off. My steering wheel, I like to have it pull forward, lock it. I like to have room. Okay, I do use driving gloves. These have a grip. It's a rubber grip. It's really nice. It's comfortable, so you won't lose it. You won't slip the steering wheel out of your hands. Okay. All right. Let's do this. I'm just waiting for these people to move out my way. So you take your time. Make sure when you back in, make sure you're clear. Okay. Just waiting for these people to move out my way. We're about to go. Come on. All right, cool. Yeah, he's just taking my time. All right, now quick. Cap of the bottle. Close the gap, right turn. Open the gap, left turn. The gap is what truck drivers use on your mirror. So when you look back, the gap is, this is the gap. You see this trailer there? You see that? That's a gap. So then that gap and this gap, it's about the same. You see it? So that's your gap. So when you're getting close to the trailer, you're closing it. Closing the gap. When you're moving away from it, you're opening it. Excuse me. Now we're going right here. That's where we're going. We get 1, 2, just about 3. There we go. 3 o'clock. All the way. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Then that's it. Can't go no more. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. See, boom, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna open the gap. Left, close it. Open it. Left turn, open it. Close it a little bit, open it. See? One shot. Close the gap, open the gap. That's pretty much it. And that's it. Boom. That's all to it. You understand? That's it. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Just takes nothing but practice. Okay? Turn off my engine. That's it. That's all there is. You know, a lot of people bring down the landing gear. A lot of people does it differently. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see. I like to just pull the plugs, which is my lines. I like to do that first. The reason why I do that first because sometimes you forget. And when you pull away, you just yank them out. Yeah, these landing gears, sometimes they're a pain in the butt. Fifth wheel release. See that? And that's it. So here's your line. Emergency line. And your service line. Power line. Turn the right way we go. Boom. There you go. That's it. See? Alright? Alright, my people, see? It's just common sense. That's it, you know. But again, practice, practice, practice is the key to success. Alright, my peoples? Thanks for watching. Love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll catch you in my next video.